Welcome again to another video. This is Attorney Elmer Lucero. So magkomento naman tayo dito sa video, no, ng regarding sa pagbusisi or yung pag-slash or pagbawas sa pondo ng Office of the Vice President. Ito ba ay mandate na ini-exercise ng Congress o politika? No? Yan yung magandang tanong. And hiramin natin yung video from the Net25 YouTube channel, no? And then let's comment along the way. Okay? Simulan natin.
Sabi nga ni VP Sara, maliit lang daw yung kanyang opisina, she can survive maski na zero budget. And sabi niya naman, of course, you're not going to...
Hindi naman pwede ring maging zero budget ang Office of the Vice President. No, imposible yan. Because that would mean abolishing the office, which is a constitutionally created office. The Office of the Vice President is provided under the Constitution. If the House of Representatives or the Congress and the Senate does not provide a budget or a piso budget sa Office of the Vice President, at it is as if they are amending the Constitution. Kaya hindi naman pwede na ibigay na piso budget, no budget or piso budget lang. No? That would be tantamount to amending the Constitution, which is hindi naman yun ang way ng pag-amend ng Constitution. So, it will be stricken out or declared as unconstitutional kung bibigyan nilang zero budget ang Office of the Vice President.